Trailer's packed, truck's packed. Means only one thing, we're back on the road again. First stop, back to the Freedom Factory. All right, well, I made it to the Freedom Factory for the second time. Happy to be back. I just got the trailer dropped here. Looks like some fun is already being had. Not sure if you'll see that down there, but we got some crazy carts going on already. Yeah, whole lot of fun going on this weekend here at the Freedom Factory, so hope to see you there. We got the Freedom 500 tomorrow, and then Cleetus and cars for the Burnout competition the following day. So I'll be vending at both the events. Like I said, hope to see you there. I will check back with you tomorrow. Well, it's hot here in Florida, but we just got set up. They just let the VIP crowd in. The main crowd's coming in a little later, but here's our new tent. Big shout out to Top Ups for the tent hookup. Love you, brother. MC Slick on Facebook. Check him out. He'll help you out with whatever you need. But yeah, big ups to him. I really appreciate it. Love the way it turned out. We got this back wall here as well. Got all the socials. Yeah, he hooked it up. But we're coming out fresh for the fresh season here. So stay tuned to see where we wind up next. As usual, it's tough for me to leave the stand, but they are having qualifying underway here, so I'm going to try to catch a little bit of it, and then hopefully I'll get some of the race, but we'll see what I can get. Great crowd here today, too.
Qualified so far, BJ Baldwin with the number one. Two-time Baja 1000. Number one qualifier, Leah Block. Still some cars to race, but that
Leah
is
Block,
impressive.
number one qualifier. I think Travis Pastrana took the qualifier. I could be wrong. I thought that's what I heard, but the Freedom 500 is about to be underway. So correction, I think Amanda Sorensen took the lead qualifier lap, but either way, we're about to be underway here.
1 and 2.
Well, I think Cleetus McFarland just won his own race. We got some burnout smoke here. Crowd's going nuts. I walked right into Cleetus' smoke celebration. So let the celebration begin. I'm gonna break down my tent here, and like I said earlier, we are back at it again tomorrow for Cleetus and Cars in the Burnout competition. So I'll check in with you then with another video, but until then.